Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Samiksha and you're watching Wing It with Samiksha. Please take a moment, subscribe to this channel and watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's get started, okay? So today's video is going to be all about my empties of the year because I don't use my products on a daily basis and I somehow tried my best to finish few of these products that I'm going to show you today. So let's get started. So the first product is going to be, which one? Something that I loved the best among all of these is the Biotique's Biocucumber Toner. Now let me tell you, this is a beautiful toner. Trust me, I love this one, and I'm an oily skin, oily sensitive skin, and acne prone skin. So this one is a blessing. I was not so sure before using it, and the first time that I used it, I felt a very ticklish, sensation on my face, which I thought was the chemicals in it, because now, even though they say they are improved Ayurveda in this, I don't really think there won't be any chemicals in it. And just the smell of it is very chemically. I don't know, it just seems to be very chemically, okay? I don't know if they have any fragrance involved in this or not. Even if it has chemical in it, I really don't have a problem because it's worked like a miracle on my skin. It makes my skin so much more cleaner and so much more softer. Within the period of time I used it, my skin became very supple and very soft. And I used to use Biotique products a lot. The serum of it, which I have, the Dandelion serum, and this one together goes very good, very good. You use the toner and use the serum on top of it. The next morning, your skin's gonna be so much more happier, so much more, lively towards life. If that means it, if that makes any sense, it just is so great. It retails for 175 and you get 120 ml of product in it, which is absolutely great. It took me forever to finish this one, but it's gone. Okay, will I repurchase this? Definitely yes. The next product is going to be the Pack Cosmetics lashes. Now, oh my god, since the day I started my beauty vlogging on my Instagram, not since the day, but yeah, after like 6 months of it, I bought these lashes. It's been 2 years. Trust me, it's been 2 years. I kept washing them, I kept cleaning them, I kept wearing it again and again and again. Now I'm finally throwing them away. I am not a lash person, to be very honest. I am a very moody person. If I want to wear lashes, I will wear lashes, and if I don't want to wear lashes, I won't wear them. It's not a compulsion for me to wear lashes if I'm doing my makeup and I'm going to post it on my Instagram. It's just that lashes sometimes look very pretty on some sort of makeup looks, and it is a struggle because I'll just end it there. It's a struggle to wear the lashes, okay? It is, trust me. If you're using the Miss Claire lash glue, trust me, it's up. Let's just cut the crap and jump to the next product, which is going to be this Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade Honey. You get 6.0 ml of product for 650 rupees. I think the prices will be on the video. Do I find it worth it? Not really, because I've used much more cheaper concealers which have worked better, which is the Wet n Wild one, and right now I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer, which is very satisfactory. I'm using it right now. It gives a very beautiful finish. Even though it has been hyped up too much on the internet, I don't think it's that worth it, because even when you come see the applicator, it's a sponge based applicator, which is very, very much unhygienic because the cap easily comes off. Okay, it's not that strong, it just comes off. If you're keeping this concealer in your handbag and you're traveling somewhere, it has a very good chance of the cap coming off and it's just running everywhere, touching everything over there, and then you putting it up directly on your eyes and on your face. And if you're somebody who has sensitive skin or you have acne prone skin, don't. Trust me, don't, because it's gonna ruin up things. And I've faced it and I've experienced it. I really don't care what the company or the brand thinks about it, or what the other people think about it, but I just didn't find it 670 700 rupees that great for this product. And I like the mechanism though, it's like twisty and it's fun to do it, but is it practical? Is it safe, if I may say? Will I repurchase it? No. So the next product is going to be again Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. This is a waterproof variant. And tip, never ever buy a mascara that is waterproof. Okay.
12 seconds later.
Okay, keep one mascara with you, side mein, stash it up for rainy seasons. If you're somebody who wears mascara like all the time, oh, I can't go out like those kajal girls who can't walk out of their house without kajals. If you're a mascara girl, and if you want to walk out of the house on a rainy day, then you need to keep something in stash for that. And for that, I can recommend you this one. This is a very beautiful mascara. It actually curls up and makes your lashes look very volumized, and it lengthens also. It's very beautiful. But I didn't like the waterproof part of it because it just doesn't come out. Maybe I'm using it wrong. I used every sort of makeup remover. I used oil on my lashes, but it still didn't come out. I don't know why. So if I may repurchase this one, I'll go for the non-waterproof variant and see. But there are tons of options out there for mascaras, and I really want to try some of them. This is my first mascara ever. After this mascara, I used the Lakme mascara, which was great. I used the MAC ka lash lengthening wala mascara, which was a testing sample. That was also great. This little lady right here, it just made me fear mascaras. If I'm making any sense, it just made me feel like, oh, mascara, no. I was that bad with mascaras. I don't know if this product would ever make me feel good about itself, but am I going to repurchase this? Not really. You fall, I won't even pick you up. So the next product is going to be Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlighter. This lady right here, this baby right here, I was so excited to use this one. This is the Molten Gold Wala highlighter. I was super excited about this one because I've heard a lot about it. But then I sort of broke it. Like it just fell and it just broke into a million pieces. Like it was like, And I'm like, why? But anyways, I tried to fix it. I tried to be a Marwadi to try fix it. I mean, you don't have to be a Marwadi to fix things, man. You just want to save money, right? So I did a thing that I mixed Vaseline with the broken pieces and I made an illuminator, which sort of did work, but Vaseline ko maine use kiya na wo bigad gaya because it just doesn't look like a highlighter. You just can't blend it properly. It's like it's just stuck on your face like that. But I do have a small bottle, choto bottle जिसमें मैंने भर के रखा हुआ है, which I use as a base for my foundation. That way it really does work. But this little baby right here, will I repurchase this? Definitely, and I will keep it in a safe over there. Like, तुम बचे हुए रहो भाई, तुम टूटना नहीं आपस बस. I love this highlighter, you guys. It's so beautiful. Can you see that? But I have Vaseline in it, so it's like, oh, Vaseline makes my face very oily, and if I sweat, gone. So this is gonna go. Now it's my, and the point is that Vaseline jata bhi nahi hai yaar. It's like, the next product is gonna be the Plum ka green tea face mask. This one, I didn't buy this. This was gifted to me by my cousin Komal, she's so sweet. So this particular one is already gone, finished up, and it's meant for acne prone skin. Alright, this that you can see is an acne prone skin. I have hundreds of acne on my face, but this guy here didn't really help so much. I had very much high expectations of this one, but it did not really work. It's a clay based mask, okay? So it's like, I don't even have a lot to say about this, but I think I might just end up saying too much about it. That is me being very casual, very normal, okay? So this particular product, I used it once and I I used it after removing my makeup, and I used 2-3 new products with it. And after using it, I broke out back. Okay, I had this huge acne coming up. It's like the thing that you feel like your skin can just like gutli type ka nikal raha hai. The same thing happened with me. I thought maybe this product didn't work. I was like, okay, maybe I shouldn't use it. Yet I used it again, just to make sure if this is the product that is wrong. Because I am acne prone skin, no product works on me, okay? It's like most of the products don't work on my skin. So I thought maybe the other products might be wrong. I had an exception. It's like, okay, maybe it can happen. So I was like, okay, fine. We'll use it again and we'll see. Use karte khatam ho gaya. It didn't work. Even though the second, third time after using it did not affect my skin so much, but it wasn't working. It's like it didn't help my skin any much, because it says it's gonna help, it's gonna soothe my skin, it's gonna make me feel much more cleaner and nicer. I don't know. It has a beautiful smell though. Nothing close to green tea, by the way. This doesn't smell like green tea, but it says it's a green tea variant, so I don't know. Will I repurchase this? Nope. Alright, so the last product. Oh wow, we are gonna finish it. So the last product is a face wash by Clear & Clear, which is the Morning Energy Oil-Free Won't Clog Pores Aqua Splash Face Wash with Cooling Menthol. Now this one is for oily skin type, because it says oil-free and it won't clog your pores, which is like I need you, you're my best friend sort of thing. And it actually works. So I'm overacting right now. Anyways, this one actually works. Okay, this is like the one Clear & Clear variant that did not spoil my skin. And now that I have this Chintu one, I wanted to use it and try it, and I think this worked really well. And I use it on a daily basis. Like whenever I want to wash my face, I use this one, and it's easily available everywhere. So yeah, and I got the bigger packet of this, I got the bigger packaging of this one and bigger variant of this particular cooling menthol wala face wash, and I like it. Will I repurchase it? I already repurchased it. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and this was my MPs of the year. I hope you found it a little informative about these products that I use and my views on it, being if you're an acne prone, an oily skin or sensitive skin, or combination skin. I think this video will help you. So if you found this video informative, please hit the like button. If you've seen this video, then hit the like button, because it will mean the world to me. Okay, so comment down below if you found this video productive and informative, and if you've experienced the same, and if you found this product better than what I am telling you right now, then let me know and I'll be happy to know your views about it. And if you have any substitutes in the market that you really love, that would actually replace these products right here, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to try them out and let you know how they worked on me. This is me signing off. Stay hydrated, feel beautiful, and spread love. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.